All right, could you just state your name and that we have permission to use this video?
Michael Hansen, and you have my permission to use this video.
What's been your experience specifically just working with the foundation? Can you tell just a little bit about maybe why you needed to go that way and
Well, actually, the people that work here are just so caring. They want to do something for you, not just take out money. And it's so wonderful to have people that care for you and really look into your best interest. So it's a wonderful thing to have that happen because good things happen when people are doing that.
awesome. Thank you so much.